Hey guys, Casey Sangwins here at Guarantee RV today, showing you this brand new Coachmen Catalina 263 BHCK. That's a bunkhouse camp kitchen. Let's go inside and take a look. All right guys, inside, let's start up at the front. You've got a nice private bedroom with a full-size queen bed, plenty of storage up above and below with the wardrobes on either side. Another really nice feature about this particular trailer is in the bedroom, you've got a separate set of drawers, a separate little closet back there behind the TV room. Speaking of the TV coming out into the main living area, you've got a great TV wall with the fireplace underneath, tons of pantry storage, a nice big fridge, full 3-burner stove with the oven, plenty of counter space, and a nice sink. Across the way you've got a dual sofa, a tri-fold sofa for plenty of sleeping there, and a nice big U-shape or horseshoe dinette. In my opinion, the great thing about these horseshoe dinettes is that when you fold them down into a bed, they're long enough that a taller person can sleep there very comfortably. Back in the back, this is a bunkhouse trailer, so you've got two nice big bunk beds set up with a ladder and some nice storage underneath the bottom bunk. And then of course in the bathroom, you got a great full 3-piece usable bathroom. Everything works out great. So all in all, a great trailer, great floor plan, especially if you've got kiddos or a lot of people to sleep. All right, guys, thanks for looking. If you got any questions about this particular trailer or anything else we have in stock, give me a call. My name's Casey. My phone number is 541-953-9171. Talk soon.